Hello guys, you're most welcome to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna learn the perfect way to make cornflakes. Perfect way to make cornflakes. Yeah, perfect way to enjoy cornflakes. Right guys, and I'm using this type red label. Yeah, to put inside we will need sugar. Alright guys, I take too much sugar. I will put 2 full spoons. 2 full spoons. Yes. You leave to boil. Alright guys. We'll be using these cornflakes. And let's open it. As our milk is boiling, that will be enough for me. Alright. Yes, my cornflakes. Cornflakes is ready. We are just waiting for the milk to boil. Then we enjoy. Alright guys, our milk has started boiling. As you can see, it's boiling. See? Yeah. It's hot. Alright, see guys, it's boiling, so we have to reduce the heat. We should not remove it so quickly. It has to boil very good. We just reduce the heat. Alright, just have to reduce the heat and we'll leave it to boil. I'm gonna enjoy. You reduce the heat so that it can boil very nice. The milk should be well cooked. Yeah, you leave it on low heat like 10 minutes. Yeah. I think that is enough. Alright guys, our 20 minutes are over. It has boiled very well, very nice, as you can see. It's ready. Let me remove the tea bag. Okay, let me remove the tea bag. You see guys, it has boiled very good. Now our milk is ready. We can mix it. Sorry. Let me add more cornflakes. Wow, it is so nice. I will add more cornflakes, guys. I want more. I will add more. Alright, this will be enough. Alright guys, this is the perfect way to enjoy cornflakes. Yummy. Alright guys, come and enjoy with me. So nice. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.